so we are up in the mountains and we're gonna get some firewood. I brought the trailer here. So check out this tree right here, how big that thing is.
Somebody cut that.
And that thing is massive. Wouldn't even be able to lift those, but if we cut that one up and cut that one up, and there's one right there, they're just everywhere. So check out how big this tree is right here. I mean, somebody's already cut up a bunch of this log right here. I mean, look how freaking big these rounds are right here. They are huge.
We could do it though.
I mean, I don't even know how we're gonna lift these into the trailer. Oh my gosh, that is a beast. If it's rotten, we're gonna have to leave it. It's super big and super heavy. I mean, this is rotten.
Like, I don't even think the kids can help lift this. This is just you and me work.
Okay, so that tree back there, I don't know if we can get it because it's just really freaking big. I don't know if we'll be able to lift those rounds. I was thinking about getting that one right there. That's pretty big too. All right, so I got the chainsaw out and I'm gonna cut down this tree up here. She seems to think that the tree's gonna fall on the truck right there. It's not even gonna be close. All right. That's a big one. So there, brought her down. It's a decent sized log. It's pretty big at the base. So probably be up here for 3 or 4 hours, cutting up these logs, getting them good to go, and filling the trailer. All right, so got the trailer up there. Just gonna do some delimbing and cutting up here, and then the kids are gonna load the log into the trailer, which is really nice. So just cut this off like right here. Let's just throw that.
Holy crap, that's so much better! I need goggles.
Bad deal there. Can't be having that. Chain coming off. So this little tool here, the end's all chewed up. Something happened to it. So I cannot use this as a screwdriver. So I've got to use this screwdriver as well, which really sucks. And I do have a brand new tool, but apparently I left it at home, so whatever.
Huge disaster! I said no like 50 times!
Here!
This is ridiculous.
I would have backed it up even further.
Stuck in my brain.
So we got the trailer 2/3 full over there. And we got this big old tree right here. And look how big these rounds are. So that's probably a good 28 inches or 30 inches across or something like that.
Stuck in my brain.
Just keep it on its side. Keep it on.
So we're done. We've been up here for 4 or 5 hours or something, probably 4 hours. Probably could have thrown in 4 or 5 more logs, but my chain came off my saw, came off the bar, and I just am spent. So we're gonna leave and call that good. We're gonna make maybe 1 or 2 more trips up here to get a couple more loads, and then we should be good. Hopefully that'll be enough for this season and next season. This place is awesome as well to come up to go camping and ride ATVs. It's a freaking sweet place. So the place I took Ryan Nord to that lake is just kind of right over the ridge here. Cool place, and we're ready to go. So let's take this home and get it dumped. Feels nice to be home, knowing that I got all this firewood for the winter. Whoa! Dump trailer is awesome. Use the hydraulics and lift it up and dump out the firewood. So just like that, it's here. I've got 1 load over there, another load here. I'm not sure how many cords that is. It's probably about 2 cords and another 2 cords here. So maybe 4 cord. I need to go, I'd like to go and get 2 more loads, so maybe I can get about 8 cord. All right, so that pretty well wraps this adventure up. That was a good time. Took me quite a while. It's almost 6 o'clock, and we left at like 10:30 or something around there in the morning. So I did do some damage to the hitch right here. Slammed into a rock. Shouldn't have done it, but when you're cutting firewood, you want to get the trailer or your truck as close to the wood as possible, because it's a lot of work moving those logs. So I got this go-kart right here. This is a golf cart, an old golf cart from the golf course. It was at the landfill, and I got it because I wanted the axle, because I want to make and use this to build a little trailer. But I'm thinking that's not a good idea, because it's got this differential there, and I don't know that I need that. I think that's just going to be more work than it's worth, so I'll probably just take it back to the landfill. I did spend quite a bit of time yesterday working on my she shed here. If you can see, I've got the insulation up there, and then I've got this blocking, and then underneath that blocking you can see the foam. I put foam up against the TJI blocking, put 4 inches of foam, and then I foamed it in with the liquid foam in the can, and then I put some bats in there. So here's a better example of kind of what I did. Put the foam in there, and then I put the spray foam all the way around, and then I'm going to put bats here. So that is a trouble area, and you do get a lot of leakage in that kind of area when you are building a home, in your rim joist and in your truss tails and truss ends. That's a trouble spot. So it looks like I got this little guy coming out right here. You see, like, looks like it's a little variegated leaf right there. This is one of my dahlias. I got some baby grass going on over here. My bluegrass is growing. I noticed it last night, and it's growing, so that's good. You can kind of see it growing up right there, and kind of everywhere. My bluegrass is up, and that's good. It's gonna take a little while to get this totally filled in with the lawn. So that's pretty well it for this Saturday. I'm gonna go down to the beach and go jet skiing and spend some time with my kids and wife, and enjoy ourselves down at the beach. I would have loved to have mowed the lawn today, but I need to prepare for winter and get the firewood and get it going. So that's pretty well it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Time for some lake time fun. Jet skis, lake, fun. So July 25th, down to the lakes, time to enjoy some time here at the lake. The jet skis, and wave runner, whatever, you know what I mean? Just like to hang out right here in this chair and just enjoy ourselves. Kind of wondering if it could get any better than this. I guess it could be mowing the lawn, which would be really enjoyable, but it is nice to be at the lake, I tell you what. Let's see if we can get a fail here. Coming in hot, coming in hot, coming in hot.
Hey, that's right.
Stop, no, go, stop, no! Slow, no, go, stop!
Did you hear the big clunk?
But I am making progress on that. It's slow and steady, but it is happening. Well, I wouldn't say it's quite that steady.